Hello, today we will be focusing on event management. Whether you're hosting a banquet, golf league, or golf outing, this video will review how to archive and clone these events. Let's start by discussing how to archive an event. Archiving an event effectively cancels it, removing it from your active list without completely deleting it from your system. To archive an event, we will begin with a golf league. Navigate to the Golf League Manager and click on the three dots under Action. Here you'll see several options: View Edit, Archive, and Clone. To archive this event, simply click on Archive, then select Yes to confirm. Once you do this, you'll notice the Golf League Manager section no longer shows that event. But don't worry, it's safely stored in your archived events. So how do we find those archived events? Head down to the Archive Events section. Here you can select between various types of events: online events, banquets, outings, leagues, and so on. Let's select golf leagues. You'll see a list of all archived golf leagues, including the test league we just saved. If you wish to unarchive the event, simply click on the Action button next to it and select Unarchive. Confirm by clicking Yes. This event is now back in your active list. Next, let's look at how to clone an event. This is especially useful if you're planning to host a similar event in the future, or perhaps even the same event next year, and don't want to recreate everything from scratch. To clone an event, navigate to the Golf Outing Manager and select Action next to the event you wish to duplicate. Choose Clone from the drop-down menu. What this does is creates a carbon copy of the event, but without the payment methods and payments. This gives you a clean slate to begin managing the new event. It's important to note that everything else about the event remains identical to the original. The convenience of this feature means you don't have to start from scratch. You just need to retake payment and update any information that may have changed. And there you have it. Archiving, unarchiving, and cloning events in Club Caddie is as simple as a few clicks. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thank you for choosing Club Caddie. We're excited to help you along your way.